This is the Funxee, I guess 71 inch, 3-in-1 tripod, selfie stick, desktop holder, I guess. Um, it comes with two LED lights that you can use. They kind of clip onto the side. You'll see that here in a second. Remote and two USB-C wires. It does not come with a charger, just the wires themselves. It's single button open with it. You can see I can do this one hand. You just have to press that button to get it open. You also need to do that when you go to close it. Um, you can. It swivels from side to side, but not kind of like it doesn't tilt to side, right? So, but it goes back and forth real easy. It also comes with a regular screw, so you can mount like a GoPro or a full size camera. If you're gonna put a full size camera on it, number one, I wouldn't put it all the way high because it's kind of top heavy, and then I would probably find like a different type of like a nut to go on there because the one on the bottom is kind of small, so the camera kind of wants to wiggle a little bit. I'm gonna put it on the floor here in a second. One of the things is you have to pull pretty hard to get it to come out all the way. You can see I'm kind of struggling to kind of pull up with it. And I'm trying to be careful because my phone's on there. Probably should have pulled it all the way up to the top before I put the phone on there. But you can see it goes. It takes quite a bit of effort to put it up there. It's still got more to go. You're going to see that here in a second. I was trying to get to where I could touch the lights on before I take it up all the way. It's also a little unstable. Part of that's because it's mainly because it's at its fullest height, and the I didn't have the legs completely straight at the bottom, so it's kind of moved around a little bit. I'd be very careful about having this out in the wind at full height because it is a little top heavy. If you kind of take it down to maybe like 5 foot, it's way more stable. Um, right now, I'm just do a quick selfies, and you'll see the camera kind of change here in a second as it takes a picture. So seems like it works.